Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, today I am going to start integration by partial fraction, and these are some basic requirements whenever you have to you give some function or some expression to integrate this one, and you have to separate or you have to break down into partial breakdown in this way. Okay, suppose here the upper one as the linear function and the lower one is the multiple of two expressions, so it will be you have to break this one a by this one plus b by the second one. Okay, so you have to read this one again and again, and you have to memorize this one because it help you to solve the integration, that is integration by partial fraction. So here exercise 8.10 from the book of ML Agarwal, and here the first problem, integration dx by x plus 1 x plus 2. Okay, now as you know that this one, so first let 1 by this one as a by x plus 1 b by x plus 2. Clear? So now here the LCM will be x plus 1 x plus 2. So x plus 1 cancel out, x plus 2 cancel out, and it will be 1 equal to a into x plus 2 then b into x plus 1. Okay, so now as here ax bx, so if x will be common it becomes a plus b, and here 2a plus b. Now by comparing both sides, here a plus b equal to 0 and 2a plus b equal to 1. So from that a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1. So now you can write down the integration as here a, so it will be 1, so 1 by x plus 1, then minus as here b means minus 1, so it will be minus 1 by x plus 2 dx. Now separate the integration, so integration 1 by x plus 1 dx minus integration 1 by x plus 2 dx. So that equal to log mod x plus 1 minus log mod x plus 2 plus c. Now the second one, integration x by x plus 1 x plus 2. Okay, second one is as same as the previous one. So here I solve it, and here the value of a will be minus 1, value of b will be 2. Just put down the value of a and b and integrate this one, you will get your answer. Now second one, sum number 2 1 as same as the previous one, that's why I am going to solve sum number 2 2. Integration x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Clear? Now as here x square plus 1, so here I add x square minus 5x plus 6, and to adjust this one again write down plus 5x minus 6. Okay, then 5x will be cancelled out, 6 will be cancelled out, and you will get back x square plus 1. Okay, again. So now if you separate this one, it will be this one by this one and it becomes 1. Okay, both are cancelled out. Then plus integration, now here 5x and here minus 6 plus 1, it's minus 5. So 5x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. I hope it's clear. Now it's very easy, integration dx equal to 1, and you have to apply here the partial fraction for integration. Okay, so now it will be as here 5 will be common, so x minus 1 as numerator, and if you break down by, you know that it is a quadratic equation, so you can factorize this one by middle term factorization method, and you will get x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, so now let this one equal to a by this one plus b by this one. Okay, so now here x minus 1 will be a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. So if x will be common, it becomes a plus b, and here minus 2a plus 3b. By comparing both sides, here a plus b equal to 1 and minus 2a plus 3b equal to also 1. Okay, now if you multiply the upper one into 2, so it becomes 2a plus 2b that equal to 2, and the lower one minus 2a plus 3b that equal to 1. So if you subtract this one, then 2a cancel out, and from here b equal to minus 1. So if b equal to minus 1, then from that a equal to 2. Okay, now put down the value here. So x plus 5 integration 2 by x minus 3 plus minus 1 by x minus 2 dx. then x plus 5 into 2 as 5 into 10 integration 1 by x minus 3. Here minus, so minus 5 integration 1 by x minus 2 dx. So x plus 10, it will be log mod x minus 3 minus 5 log mod x minus 2 plus c. Next, sum number 3, 1. Integration x cube plus x plus 1, and denominator you have x square minus 1. So here the upper power, that means the power of the numerator, is greater than the power of the denominator. So first you have to divide this one. Okay, so it will be x square minus 1, and here dividend will be x cube plus x plus 1. So first x into x square, it becomes x cube. So my x cube minus x, it will be minus plus, so it will be cancel out, and here 2x plus 1. Okay, that means here quotient equal to x, remainder equal to 2x plus 1. I hope you know the formula, because in the previous exercise you have already solved this one. So here first you have to write down. First you have to write down the quotient, then plus, it will be remainder by divisor. I repeat, quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay, so now if you separate the integration, so integration x dx, and this one will be integration 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1. And as you know, x square minus 1 means x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, so by partial fraction, it will be this one equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 1. Okay, so here a plus b equal to 2, and a minus a plus b equal to 1. So from that, b equal to 3 by 2 and a equal to half. So just put down here, it will be now integration x means x square by 2. So x square by 2 plus, here integration a means half by x plus 1 dx, plus integration b by x minus 1, b means 3 by 2, so dx. So now final answer, x square by 2 plus half log mod x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 log mod x minus 1 plus c. Now sum number 3, 2. Integration 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x. So first you have to multiply this one, it will be x minus 2x square. Okay, so now the upper one, if you multiply this one with 2, so it becomes 2 minus 2x square. And to adjust this 2, here I write down half and keep outside. So now it will be here 2 minus x plus x. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पर एक x ऐड किया है, so minus x plus x adjust हो गया, minus 2x square by x minus 2x square. Okay, now clear? So from that, so first write down this portion, x minus 2x square. Write down here x minus 2x square by this one. Here half also, then plus half, then write down the first portion, 2 minus x by x minus 2x square. So this one cancel out. It will be half integration dx, that means x only. So here it will be 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x. Okay, so now let x 2 minus x by x into 1 minus 2, that is a by x plus b by 1 minus 2x. Same format. So it will be 2 minus x equal to a into 1 minus 2x plus bx. Now by comparing both sides, here a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 after calculation. Okay, so now it will be half x plus half integration 2 by x dx as a equal to 2, then half integration 3 by 1 minus 2x as b equal to 3. So half x log, it will be mod x, because here 2 cancel out, so it will be mod x plus 3 by 2 log, now here 1 minus 2x, so log mod 1 minus 2x, and as here the coefficient of x equal to minus 2, so you have to write down also here minus 2 in the denominator. Clear? Plus c. So the final answer will be half x log mod x minus, here minus, so minus 2 into 2 4, that means 3 by 4 log mod 1 minus 2x plus c. Now sum number 4, 1. Integration x by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, so now let x by this one equal to a by x minus 1, b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay, so now the LCM will be this one and it will be cancel out. So here x in left hand side, in right hand side you have a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x माइनस वन इंटू एक्स माइनस टू, आपको तो मालूम ही होगा। सो नाउ अब यहाँ पर आपको a, b एंड c का वैल्यू निकालना है। सो पहले लेट व्हेन x इक्वल टू 1, if x equal to 1 then this portion equal to 0 and this one also 0, that means part b and part c equal to 0. So only you have here 1, here a into 1 minus 2, so it's minus 1, here 1 minus 3 minus 2, so from that a equal to half. Now next b, when x equal to 2, so if x equal to 2 then this portion equal to 0 and this one also 0. So now here 2 and here b into 2 minus 1 1, then 2 minus 3, that equal to minus 1. So from that b equal to minus 2. It's very easy. Now third one, when x equal to 3. So if x equal to 3, this portion equal to 0, this one also 0. So now here 3 and here c into 3 minus 1 2, then 3 minus 2 1. So c equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now just put down the value here. So first integration a by x minus 1 dx plus integration b by x minus 2 dx plus integration c by x minus 3 dx. So it will be half log mod x minus 1 minus 2 log mod x minus 2 and 3 by 2 log mod x minus 3 plus c as your answer. Sum number 4-2, similar kind of problem as same as sum number 4-1. Okay, here also a by this one, b by this one, c by this one, then same format, and you have to find out the value of a, b and c. Here 1, minus 5 and 4. Okay, now again just separate the integration and you will get your answer. So here I solve it this one, so I hope you can also solve it by the help of this one. Now next, sum number 5-1. Sum number 5-1 as same as sum number 4. So here integration 5x by x plus 1 x square minus 4. As you know, x square minus 4 means x plus 2 x minus 2. That means you have to let this one. You have to let this one equal to a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2 and c by x minus 2. And from that you will get a equal to this one, b equal to this one, c equal to this one. I hope you can solve it. Okay, and your final answer will be 5 by 3 log mod x plus 1 plus 5 by 6 log mod x plus 2 and minus 5 by 2 log mod x minus 2 plus c. So guys, if you face any kind of problem, you can please contact with me by comment on this video, or you can direct chat with me with Telegram. So now sum number 5-2, this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are new viewer. So here integration x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So first you have to let x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2, like in this way, a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. मैंने जो पहले एक बार फॉर्मेट दिखाया था, फॉर्मेट में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं. सो नाउ इट विल बी x इक्वल टू हियर a, as here x minus 1, so it will be again x minus 1 into x plus 2. Here b into, as x minus 1 whole square you have, so it will be only x plus 2, and c, it will be c into x minus 1 whole square. Now you have to find out the value of a, b, c. So as you have x minus 1, so first let when x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then the left hand side portion equal to 1, right hand side this portion equal to 0, this one 0. So here b into 1 plus 2, so that means 3. So from that b equal to 1 by 3. It's very easy. Second one, here x plus 2. So when x equal to minus 2, then this one equal to minus 2, this one equal to 0, this one also 0. So now here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square, it's 9. So c equal to minus 2 by 9. Now the third one when ax equal to 0. Okay, so if x equal to 0, then the left hand side equal to 0. Here a into minus 1 into 2 plus. Now b means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 2. And here c means minus 2 by 9. So minus 2 by 9 minus 1 whole square. So it will be minus 2a plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Okay, so here as here 2, 2, 2. So if you common 2, it will be 0 again. So now you have a equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Okay, as 9 is the LCM, so it will be 3 minus 1 and it becomes 2 by 9. Okay, so now you have A equal to 2 by 9, B equal to 1 by 3 and C equal to minus 2 by 9. Clear? Okay, now write down 2 by 9 integration 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 1 by 3 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx plus minus 2 by 9 integration 1 by x plus 2 dx. So for this one it will be log mod x minus 1, and here 1 by x minus 1 whole square, that means you can write x minus 1 whole to the power minus 2. So here you can apply integration x to the power n formula. I hope you know that it will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here x minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus 1, that becomes minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1, that equal to minus 1. Okay, and by 1 here minus 2 by 9 log mod x plus 2 plus c. So your final answer 2 by 9 log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 3, as here minus, so minus 1 by 3. Here x minus 1 whole to the power minus 1, so it will be 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by 9 log mod x plus 2 plus c. Okay, so guys, please keep watching and keep supporting.